Okay, today, this week we're going to be removing an oil pump from a cbr1000f 1988. It's down there. I've got the engine out of the frame, so it's pretty easy for me, but well, I think you're going to have to get the engine out of the frame to take the oil pump out anyway, so there's nothing left to it but to do it. Okay then, so the sump cover's off. If you want to see a video with the sump cover off, I'll put a link in the description to one of my other videos. So this is the oil pump. At the bottom of the engine, obviously, I could see 4 10mm bolts, and there's a 10mm bolt on the sprocket. And I'm thinking I'm going to have to remove the sprocket first, but maybe not. So let's just try and crack open these 4. So as far as I can see, there's only 3, not 4. So there's another seal in there. Look, important. Don't leave your seals, or unless you're going to buy new ones, which I would recommend anyway. So let's crack these 3 10mm and see how we go from there. As some of you know, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just that broke bloke who wouldn't be able to afford to take this to a shop because it probably cost hundreds. See if we can zoom you in a bit. So there's 1, 2, and there's number 3 there. So let's do number 3 there first. That doesn't fit. That's an 8mm socket, so it'd probably be better if I put a 10mm socket on, wouldn't it? There we go. So there's the 10mm socket. Got my speed brace on, so just excuse my hand for a bit while I undo it. There we go. My squeaky speed brace. Sounds a bit like my bones. That's 2. I know you can't see much at the minute, but try and hold that out of the way. And that's 3. Let's pull those out. Not quite undone yet. There's 1, 2, 3. Now hopefully that's just going to move so I can get this chain off. No, it's not going to, so we're going to have to undo this 10mm. I don't think I'm going to get that shade off, no way. So let's undo this 10mm as well. 10mm spanner somewhere. Where is my 10mm spanner? Here it is. Okay, I just think you should be able to see that little 10mm nut on the sprocket. I'm imagining I can undo it. Hopefully I can. Oh yes. It was quite tight, but not that difficult. Try and grab it now before it falls inside the engine. Better take that glove off. Give it a clean. It's quite a long bolt. getting there. I can feel my hand cramping up, so I think I'm going to drop it in the engine. Have we got it? Yes, there it is. Can't get you. Oh, I'm sort of upside down so I can't see what I'm doing. There it is. Let's put that bolt back on. See if that comes off. Would have thought it would come off, but it didn't seem to want to. That's it. So the pump should just lift out. So that means the pump is actually connected to the water pump as well. So this pump turns the water pump and the oil pump. Very clever. Get the sprocket out. So I will put that back on. Put it back on where it lives. Put the screw back in. Screw. Put the little bolt back in. And there we have one. Where are we? There we have one oil pump removed from the CBR. So that's as far as we can go with this one. In fact, oh yeah, it does turn. It is turning. I thought that had seized up. So, like I say, that's as far as we can go with this video, because that is the oil pump removed. So, I will see you back up there. So, there you have it. How to remove an oil pump from a cbr1000f engine. 1988. So I hope it's been of some use to you. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you drop by again to watch one of my videos, or even hit that subscribe button. I would be very grateful if you do. So without further ado, yep, so that's it for this week. So see you again soon. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And say, my darling, I feel wonderful tonight. To watch one of my videos, or even hit that subscribe button. I would be very grateful if you do. So without further ado, let's get on with it. No, we're ending the video. We're ending the video. We're not starting the video. So yes, let's bugger off and fuck off and shit and wake your brain up and oh god. If only you guys knew how hard it was to think of things to say when you're looking at the camera. Yes.